In global master data sync, we have the setup table, which are global master setup, where we can control different kinds of settings. In this video, we'll go through the settings that are relevant for a subscriber company. On the role center, we will click on setup and global master setup. The first field we will meet is the company type, where you specify that you are a subscriber or if you are a master and subscriber. You'll specify the partner ID, which will be the ID that you use when you do the transferring of files between master and the subscriber. The section for the subscriber company, we first have the field which are the subscriber handle IC file, which gives you that you'll now be able to extract the XML file when you are downloading the XML file from Azure Blob Storage. The subscriber synchronization record set means that you now specify that this company is allowed to do the synchronization according to the exchanged record set. So if your subscriber is not ready to synchronize your record set, this is an easy way to prevent this from happening. The maximum number of attempts is that when a failed synchronization for a given record will then create an error, and every time it creates an error, it will then increase the number of attempts for this synchronization. When the number is equal to this number you have stated in the field, then the synchronization would skip that sort of record until you have reset the synchronization or actually send a new complete set of records for this sort of record. Only synchronize net changes means that you only synchronize net changes. For instance, it could be if you're changing the name of a customer, you will only synchronize that change of the name. Otherwise, if you haven't checked them on, then the system will try to update the entire record for this customer, meaning all fields for this related customer. The subscriber log creation policy means that which sort of log should we create when we do a synchronization. In this case, we will only do a log if it turns into be an error for the synchronization. We could choose either to have none logs, or we will have a log both containing successful synchronization and errors, or just maybe the success. It's most common that you at least have a log for errors, because then you are easy to be able to see which sort of errors that is preventing you to do the synchronization. Then we have the Azure Blob Storage, where you need to specify the account name for the Azure Blob Storage and the SAS token for the account name. And at least then we'll have which sort of container that you should put in your Azure Blob Storage files, both when you do a download, but also when you do maybe a test of this setting.